Welcome to How to Solve.
Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to private friends list on Facebook. Make sure that your Facebook application on your mobile phone is updated. So let's open our Facebook account, go to our profile, and after that one you can browse down, or you can just simply click the settings icon on the upper portion and look for the option privacy checkup. Now if you cannot see it, just type down, search for it, privacy checkup, and go for it. Then you can see privacy control, who can send a friend request or anyone who view your profile. Tap on it and we can see here the options in privacy shortcuts. So let's find who can send you friend requests, who can see your friends list. So as what you can see here, this is the option for who can see your friends list. Now you're just going to tap see more, and there you go, just click on only me. So in that case, no one can see your friends list. And I hope I helped you. That's it.
Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.